Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best and most effective products for all your needs. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Quttisay Hot Tub Scum Absorber, widely regarded as the best hot tub scum remover available. If you're tired of dealing with oils, body creams, and floating foams in your hot tub, this product is about to make your life a lot easier. Let's dive in. The Quttisay Hot Tub Scum Absorber comes in a convenient 2-pack, designed to help you keep your hot tub, spa, or pool sparkling clean. What sets it apart from other products on the market is its ability to efficiently absorb oils, lotions, and other unwanted residues that can create scum buildup. With its adorable turtle shape and practical design, it not only works well but adds a fun touch to your hot tub experience. What makes this scum absorber so effective is its upgraded 3D air grid structure. This innovative honeycomb shape maximizes the surface area in contact with the water, ensuring that more scum and oils are absorbed. It floats on top of the water, allowing it to efficiently absorb unwanted residue without sinking, providing continuous cleaning throughout your soak. Cleaning your hot tub can be a hassle, especially when the filtration system is overwhelmed by oils and other residues. The Quttisay Scum Absorber reduces the load on your filtration system, which helps extend its lifespan and reduces the need for frequent water changes or heavy-duty cleaning sessions. This means less maintenance and more relaxation for you. What's more, the Quttisay Hot Tub Scum Absorber is eco-friendly and reusable. Simply rinse it off with cold water, let it dry in a ventilated area, and it's ready to be used again. The absorbent material is durable, and the cute turtle design makes it a charming addition to your hot tub accessories. This product works with any water source, so whether you're using it in a spa, hot tub, or pool, you can count on it to keep your water clean and free from scum. Its versatility and efficiency make it an essential tool for any hot tub enthusiast. For those who love a clean, inviting spa experience, the Quttisay Hot Tub Scum Absorber is a must-have. It's affordable, practical, and keeps your water sparkling clean without all the fuss. So, if you're looking for an easy way to maintain your hot tub, this is the product for you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews of the best products out there. Stay clean and enjoy your hot tub experience to the fullest.